Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Claudia. In today's video, I will be unboxing the rice cooker you didn't know you need. If you know me, you know that I love me some rice. I am so excited to be unboxing the Toshiba rice cooker. Just a few things to know about the rice cooker is that it is high quality. The rice cooker senses the moisture content of the rice and adjusts the temperature and cooking time without any guesswork or adjustments. The rice cooker has 8 features and they are white rice, quick cook, brown rice, mixed greens, slow cook, porridge, cake, eggs, and soups. The one thing that had me shook about this rice cooker is that I'm able to use the delay timer to schedule my cooking for up to 24 hours in advance. So I can set the timer at night, wake up the next morning to some delicious breakfast. I love how small and cute this rice cooker is. It can fit anywhere in my kitchen. I love that the rice cooker have a handle. It's the next day after unboxing the rice cooker. I'm starving, so I decided to make some oatmeal this morning for some breakfast. If you're interested in getting this rice cooker, I have information in the description box. I am all about easy clean. The pot is non-stick, so you already know cleaning is super easy. I hope you guys liked the unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.